In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal account and automatic feed to Xero. This should take around 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to need to do is log into your Xero accounting software. Head over to their website and click on the login button. Enter your email and password, making sure you use the correct credentials for your account. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and hit the login button to access your Xero dashboard. If this is your first time using Xero, or if you're coming back after some time, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Now that you're inside the dashboard, the next step is straightforward. Click on the name of your company, which should be visible somewhere on the screen, usually at the top. By clicking here, you are given access to a range of options specific to your company's account settings. You'll then want to navigate over to the Settings tab. This should be easily found within that menu. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Payment Services. This is where you'll manage all your payment related settings in Xero. You want to click this to dive deeper into setting up your payment gateways. Now, to set up your PayPal account, you need to click on Add New Payment Service. This will prompt Xero to show you a range of payment services you can add. Once you see the list of payment options, go ahead and select Add Other. On this page, you'll find PayPal as one of the available choices. Click on PayPal to begin the integration process with your Xero account. Xero does a good job of making this process relatively intuitive, but following along step by step ensures you won't miss anything. Next, you'll be required to fill in the details for your PayPal account. Have your PayPal account information ready to make this step as smooth as possible. You'll typically need to provide your PayPal email address and possibly authenticate your account, so double check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you've filled everything in and you're satisfied that all your details are correct, the final step is to save your changes. Simply click on the Save button and you should be good to go. This action will bind your PayPal account with your Xero account, enabling automatic feeds and easing the handling of transactions in your accounting process. And there you have it, you've successfully added your PayPal account to Xero and set up your automatic feed. This integration can significantly streamline your bookkeeping tasks by automating the transfer of transaction data straight from PayPal into Xero. Thanks for watching today, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a quick refresher.